Check this design, also this one, and this one too. Aren't they amazing? If you've ever admired Hailey Bieber's flawless nail designs and wished you could recreate them at home, you're in for a treat. With our step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to achieve those stunning nails without needing a professional salon. Stay connected till the end to discover the secrets behind Hailey Bieber's iconic nail looks. Step 1. Preparing your nails for a DIY masterpiece. You'll want a clean slate to set the stage for your nail art adventure. Begin by saying farewell to any remnants of old nail polish using an acetone-based nail polish remover. This step ensures a fresh foundation for your new masterpiece. Equip yourself with a reliable nail clipper and a quality nail file. Sculpt the perfect nail shape that aligns with your desired aesthetic. Achieving a flawless manicure demands a solid foundation. Swipe a cotton ball soaked in acetone or rubbing alcohol across your nails to banish any traces of natural oils. This step guarantees a smooth polish application and enhances the longevity of your nail art. Treat yourself to a warm water soak if you're seeking extra luxury. This softens the skin around your nails, making it easier to push back cuticles for a polished appearance gently. Consider using a cuticle remover like Sally Hansen's Instant Cuticle Remover for the utmost precision. Push back your cuticles and delicately trim excess skin with a cuticle pusher and nipper. Step 2. The essential base coat. The foundation of any great nail art is a sturdy base. Enter the base coat, your shield against staining and a secret weapon for prolonging your manicure's life. Opt for a trusted base coat like OPI's Natural Nail Base Coat. Apply a thin, even layer to each nail, ensuring complete coverage. This coat not only offers protection, but also provides a smooth canvas for your chosen color polish. Step 3. Embracing radiant white polish. Hailey Bieber's nail style exudes elegance with a touch of subtlety, and achieving this begins with the right shade. Start with a delicate white, pale pink, or nude nail polish layer. For a creamy, glazed finish similar to Hailey's signature look, reach for OPI's Funny Bunny Nail Lacquer. This shade, which she adores for her gel manicures, is available in a regular polish formula for your convenience. Step 4. Adding an enchanting shimmer. Capture the allure of Hailey's shimmering nails by blending a soft, pearlescent polish with a clear top coat. OPI's Kyoto Pearl Nail Lacquer, a pearlescent white shade, beautifully emulates the captivating chrome powder and gel combo she favors. Combine Kyoto Pearl with a clear top coat to achieve that enchanting sheer finish. For a more delicate touch, adjust the level of sheerness by incorporating an additional clear top coat. Step 5. Applying the final touch. It's time to seal the deal and ensure your nail art stands the test of time. Grab the chip-resistant top coat you mixed with the Kyoto Pearl. For the best results, ensure the brush is clean or use a fresh one to glide on a thin, even layer of the top coat. This step not only imparts a stunning shine, but also locks in your masterpiece, extending its life and brilliance. You've now unlocked the secrets to achieving Hailey Bieber's nail art magic from the comfort of your own home. Following these steps, you're poised to showcase nails that exude elegance, radiance, and glamour, just like Hailey. If you found this guide helpful, please show your support by clicking the like and bell buttons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Until then, take care, and let your nails steal the spotlight.